If you've ever wondered what it's like to live in a luxurious apartment building in Bangkok, Thailand, then I'm going to take you around ours, which is insane. It is more expensive than the average, but that's purely because it comes with all of these incredible facilities that you couldn't even imagine in the UK. So let's go. So this is the main entrance to the building that we're going to go in now. It's literally opposite a 7-Eleven, and I think there's a bigger 7-Eleven down the street from here, which is even more convenient. And to make it even more convenient, that if you didn't think that was possible, there's a Lawson's, which is basically like a 7-Eleven, literally on the ground floor of the apartment building. So as you can see, super convenient. There's even a little area where you can sit and enjoy your snacks over there. It caters for all your needs. Let's head to the lobby. This lobby is so luxurious. It's what you would expect when you enter a beautiful apartment building. As we walk down here, you'll notice that it gets louder with the motorbikes and that there's loads of electric charging points just here. So if you do have an electric car, super handy for that. Although honestly, it's just more cost effective to hire a grab ride, or take the BTS over in Thailand. There's really no need for you to get a car in Bangkok, but if you want to, there's opportunity to charge. I just thought I'd throw this out there because it's just too cool not to mention. But as you actually enter the buildings just between A and B, there's this huge pink architecture. It's like Tetris themed. It's almost like a Tetris build. It's very cool, as you can tell. And of course it's pink, so of course I'm gonna love it. To get in this building, you have to use your face scanner. So it's literally Face ID. It scans your face. Communal areas in both buildings. So you're talking like co-working spaces, pools, gyms. Well, there's only one gym, but it's a big gym, so it's doable. There's actually also a secret cinema room here, which is it might have been one of the main reasons we went for this place. Not the only reason, but one of the main reasons. Anyway, let's head in now and show you guys around. Forget you have the mail room right here. Not that we get mail here in Thailand. I mean, at the moment we're only here for short term, but still it's useful to know that you've got one and where it is. We've made it in the lift and we're now heading to 28. We have made it to the 28th floor of Building A, which has this super cool sky garden. It's actually the one that James and I come to quite a lot because it's super convenient. It's literally only a few floors down from 33, which is obviously where our apartment is. So let's take a look around and you can see one of the many reasons why we chose it. As you can see, there are plenty of seating spaces, plenty of seating areas around here, super comfortable. You've got pillows and that. This overlooks 360 views pretty much, not entirely 360, but almost. You can literally see Bangkok's largest tower from here. You can see that from our balcony view as well, which is insane. It looks incredible in the daytime, but at night, wow. As you can see, it's a super chilled area. Huge tower behind me. Lots of seating areas. It's actually where we come to film some travel story videos. Anyway, if you love this, then let's go and check out some of the other communal areas within this building itself. We're gonna head right up to the top because this isn't even the top yet, guys. It looks like it is, but it's not. 28th floor, we're on 33 and we're gonna head to 41. So let's go. incredibly designed. It's got pretty much everything you could want and need in an apartment block like this on its own, bar the B building. So you've got the rooftop pool, huge pool, includes a jacuzzi, you've got a nice little seating area, and you've also got the co-working kitchen space, the co-working gaming space, and the cinema room. Down in the lobby area of Building A, you will also notice that we have a hub, which is basically another communal co-working space slash gaming area slash mini bar. It's pretty much anything you could need or want.
Now we're gonna go and explore Building B,
which offers the gym, another rooftop pool, and I'm pretty sure like 2 more sky gardens. I feel like there are constantly hidden gems that keep popping up around this building. So here you've got a meeting room literally connected to the lobby, and you've got a garden, communal library space that's connected to the other one. Now we're in Building B, heading to floor 37. So this isn't as high as Building A. We have the gym, rooftop pool, another rooftop pool, with like an underwater gym as well. You'll see what I mean. I personally prefer the other pool just because even though they're both the same size pretty much, I feel like the other one's a tad bigger, a little bit more open, and there's like a little water paddling area where you can literally just dip your feet in and walk around in the water, which is quite a nice feature. Over here you've still got a jacuzzi back up there, and you've got the rooftop pool here, along with the underwater gym. Yeah, I wasn't kidding. It's a mini one, but it's still one, and I've never seen one before. And then you've got this little seating area, which is quite nice. I really, really like this feature. So now we're on floor 16 of Building B, which has a super cool sky garden, and it's got a little bit of a maze going on in the background, which is quite cool. So we've made it to floor 8, which is where the laundry room is, and another sky garden. And this is actually one of my favourite sky gardens, and not because it's high, but because it's almost been designed like a childhood playground, and I think that's really cool.
And at the bottom floor of the apartment building, there's a delivery point for everything. We're always using it for Grab, for example.
I know a lot of you guys have been asking about what James and I use for internet access when we're out and about in Thailand, because obviously we come from the UK, so we don't have a mobile network as such here, which is exactly why we needed an eSIM. And the eSIM that we went for was Holofly because it was completely straightforward, super easy to activate, and it's super, super quick. And of course you get unlimited data. So because you get unlimited data, we haven't been lost or stuck anywhere. And if we were lost, we wouldn't be lost for long because we'd have access to the internet wherever and whenever, which is something I didn't have before we came to settle in Bangkok. So it's definitely a must have, especially if you're going to be using things like Grab and Google Maps and things like that. To access them, you need the data, and you get unlimited data for a great price with Holofly. So that is a must have. And if you do want to download it and obviously, you know, use your unlimited data unlimitedly, then be sure to use the discount code down below. You're welcome.
The main reason that we ended up going for this apartment over others is because of the space. So it isn't really my aesthetic or James's for that matter. It's basic, but it offers a lot of space, all our amenities, and it ticks every box in terms of facilities within the building. And not to mention that the views are absolutely insane. Something that I've been dreaming of for a long time. So to wake up to this every day and go to bed looking at this view at night is just an incredible feeling, and it makes me feel alive every second. It really does. If you want to see more videos like this, then be sure to like this video, comment down below on where your favourite place in Thailand is, and whether or not you're planning on moving to Thailand. Let me know, and I will see you next time. Bye for now.